It's like, really? Hmm. Damn, bro.
to a business, right?
Mhm.
When you're trading
Although
futures,
the indexes can feel like that sometimes when we get a Trump tweet or something, so
it can, yeah. But there is like a floor. Like people, like the market could go to zero, but like it's kind of impossible. Like so long as a company makes money, like it has value. So like it's very
that's
unlikely it
true.
could go to zero.
Hmm. Hey, what's up, Alfred? You know what? Honestly, I might just keep this over here. Hmm. Three. Wow. I mean, wow. You know what? Wow. 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 Ugh, man, ugh, ugh. Mm, 98.5. Four, six, 9, 4, 6. Yeah. All right. Well, man, it looks like the ES did it to me again. I don't know. God dang. It's like, dang, she's just so ruthless with these missing me by a tick thing that she's like doing. Missing me by a tick crap. Yeah. All right. Man, that's the crazy thing too, because that's the crazy thing. Mm. I feel like if someone has to say that I don't care what you guys think of me, that's a tall tale sign that you actually care what people think of you. People that really don't care don't even consider or even think or say things like that. Well, I think I may have missed this. I think the ES probably did the same thing that it did to me yesterday. I guess the ES ain't gonna she's not gonna let me she ain't gonna let your boy in. She's not gonna let your boy in. That's crazy. Mm. Well, if I was in this, my first target would have got hit right here. Mm. Well, okay. Alrighty, yes. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. I guess you don't want your boy to win. Guess you don't want me to win. I mean, I would doubt if this thing comes back down. Mm. Well, I mean, the reason why I had these in this area gain weight was because, well, I was trying to front run this little range right here. And I was in this range, right? Like at the bottom with off a couple of ticks of this range. So I figured, well, I mean, if they don't defend this range, then it's going to break that structure, but they came back into it. They bounced from it. They had a break right here. They broke it. So I figured that, I figured that, they'll come and at least take a little bit of drawdown, but shit, this thing literally missed me by one tick. And that's what's frustrating. That's frustrating. That is frustrating. But and now I don't necessarily trust a retest of this low. I mean, I don't. Because I mean, if there's buyers here and this thing comes all the way back down to fill me, I mean, what's the likelihood that there's more? Oh, I guess if my orders got missed, then a lot more other people orders got missed too then. Man, I want no damn free account, man. God damn. Okay, so they're doing free accounts. You know, any free accounts, we already know what that's for. Gambling, baby. Oh, come on, man. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. No. Dang. Coupon code accepted, but just didn't go through. Damn. Only 50 people got it, my guy. What the hell happened to the man? Man, perfect. Oh, okay. You know what? All right, that's fine. That's fine. I mean, honestly, I think this we'll see if it gets filled and they actually respect it. I think I may have missed it. I mean, that was it right there. That was a move I was looking for. Uh that's the move I was looking for. I don't know if this is still legit, but I'm gonna keep it on the screen though. I'm gonna keep it. Missed this move by a tick. It's gotta love that. It's gotta love it. Okay, so I think eventually I might get filled on this gold play. And I had this limit sitting here since last night, so we'll see. Yeah, I might. I don't know. I might. Yeah. Oh, did it? You said, looks to you, I have 4 opportunities to get in. Well, I mean, gain weight. I'm trying to create a habit of letting the market come to me. And I mean, there's going to be situations where stuff like this happens. I'm not going to chase the market, or at least I'm going to try not to. It says auto chase. Hold on. Does this thing, so it says limit 1 tick? Huh. Huh. Is that how that works? I'm gonna test that out. Actually, let me do that now. Let me do that, because the ink. Well, she didn't do it with a tick. She did it. She did it yesterday with the whole point in 3 ticks, and she did it today with 1 tick. Let me see if that's auto trail. Damn. And I mean ES. Shit. Can I get in this? Can I get in this? Damn, dude. Like, God damn. Can I get in it? Hmm. Well, that's a feature that I don't use. I mean, I don't need nobody to chase. I can do that my damn self. But I'm gonna have to look at that. Actually, let me see. Well, it didn't work. Okay. I mean, at this point, yeah, okay. Whatever, man. All right. All right. All right. Whatever. Okay, I mean, shit. Hmm. You know what? All right, man. All right, fine. Fine. I mean, at this point, fine. Fine. Whatever, dude. Fine. Fine. Okay. All right, fine. Fuck ES since it's like that. Since it's like that. That's not fair, dude. Yo, that is not fair, dude. That is not fair. That is not fair, man. Ah, man. That is not fair. You got that one, Investor Z? Yo, congratulations. I got coupon code Excel. I guess it's a. You know what, ES? That's twice. You don't want to be on the team. You're not a team player. The ES, you're not a team player. You are not a team player. She did that shit to me twice, man. That's crazy. That is crazy. She is not a team player. You are not a team player. This is why I don't fuck with you. This is why I don't fuck with you. All right. Mm. You know what? Let me see something real quick, man. Let me see something real quick, because I think I hate that it does that. I hate, man, this computer, this laptop kind of pisses me off. Out of all the screens it grabs, why does it grab this one? Like, uh, all right. No, we're not okay with that. We are not okay with that. I mean, there's price action every day, B. We are not okay with we are not okay with just looking at the markets. That's like going to work and ain't getting shit done. There's setups every day, B. Every day. Every second. There is no reason not to ever take a trade. Ever. Oh, so he trades gold, huh? Gold is definitely that instrument, man. Mm. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and gamble I'm not going to gamble, an account that I've worked hard on, but there's definitely going to be an account that will be sacrificed for FOMC. I mean, shit, that's a gambler's paradise. Honestly, you just get, I don't know, man. That's, I mean, what? So that's the open. Okay. Mm, mm, you know what, man? Mm, I mean, come on, man. Come on. Come on. Like, come on. You don't have to jump my order like that. Hmm. Oh shit! Now I see it. Now I see it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And you know, I just want things just to work instead of just fighting against everything that doesn't want to work at the same damn time. Everything doesn't want to work at the same time. You gotta find 4, 5, 7. That's just frustrating. 3, 9, 8, 8. Roll 2, 9. Oh crap! That's a sell order. That's a sell. Come on, bro. Come on. Relax. Relax. Honestly, I might start doing the same thing on the Nasdaq and on the ES. I talked about that last night. I just it's really frustrating getting stopped out of a short because the bulls just randomly come out of nowhere and take the market higher, and then the bulls take their profits, and that's when we actually see the market actually uh, drop. So I kind of jumped the gun on this one. Kind of jumped the gun on this gold long. I figured that maybe that they'll come in right here, but no, of course they didn't. They broke structure right there. Okay, so I think yeah, my target just got hit on the Nasdaq, or actually no, it did not. It's right there. Never mind. I'll take that back. I thought it got hit. Hey, yo, Barbie, you gotta learn to shut the hell up. Nobody's not here for you right now. We're listening to this guy. Gotta learn to shut the hell up. All right, man. I guess. Uh, uh. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That is crazy. That's crazy. Come on. I guess I'm just having one of those days today, guys. I don't know. I'm just having one of those days. Don't know why I'm having one of those days, but I guess I am. All right. Yo, why is Barbie being so combative right now? Shut the hell up. God damn, why is she being so combative? He's saying something and she got in a response for it. Like, shut the hell up and just listen. He's your guest. Hmm. Gameway says it looks like a short on gold. Mm. All right. There it goes. All right. All right, man. Yeah, today is just one of those days. I guess. Whatever, man. Man. Hmm. Hmm. Huh. Well, there's gold. There she goes. Yeah, gold is, I'm convinced gold is just like Bitcoin, or I guess Bitcoin is just like gold. Gold shorts more than she goes long. She shorts more than she goes long, for sure. Mm. Hmm. Uh, Hold on, you said, oh, I mean, gain weight, I saw it, but I mean, I was long, so I was hoping you were wrong. I was hoping you were wrong. Or at least let me be right enough to get my targets hit, and then you can be right. I was hoping that. But unfortunately, you were right. Unfortunately, for my position. So, I mean, I guess sometimes with gold, like sometimes I forget with gold, and this is just me trading the Nasdaq. I just got to kind of make that shift with gold. Is that when she gets to these highs? Because I mean, obviously, after I got stopped out, this is when I saw it, or this is when my brain allowed me to notice it. Because obviously, if I noticed this before getting stopped out, it would be a cognitive dissonance. So obviously, I hit this from myself, and once I got stopped out, I was like, "Oh shit, that was a double top right there at that high." Crazy how the mind just does shit like that. Crazy. I saw that shit right afterwards, and I was like, "God damn it." You know what? I mean, if you're not going to fill my order, you know what? Fine. All right. Fine. Fine. Reject right at my order, man. Fine. I don't know what it is today, guys. The market is definitely playing with me. I mean, I don't know what would possess the market to do some shit like that and take half my orders and take half of it. I mean, I don't know. She took 3 of my contracts. She filled 3 of them. I don't know, man. That is crazy. I don't know what's going on with the market today. It seems like when the market is doing this to me, this is when it starts to spiral into losses. This thing only filled 3 of my orders, yo. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. You know what? Whatever, man. All right, so at least we got that order. We got that order filled. Prices above this trend line. I mean, we can see if we can kind of get a double dip in this. Because I mean, this thing's been. Yeah. Barbie is definitely, she should get kicked out. Because I mean, when she's given a chance to talk, she doesn't have her thoughts collected. She's saying a lot of times. And she's trying to convey a message and it's not clear. It just seems like she gets very combative with a lot of people. Or at least this guy at least. And now I'm gonna pay attention to it. She's being very combative for whatever reason. I don't know why. All right, and this thing is still doing that to me. All right. Finally got the full damn thing hit. Finally. Finally. Yeah, she does. I don't understand why. It's like, dude, we get it. Girl, boss it up. We get it. You're a great trader. No one cares. I think with a lot of people that are insecure and they don't ever see it because of their insecurity, but no one cares. Like, dude, if you're not helping me get money, no one cares. Like, dude, no one cares. And that's what insecure people don't get. And that's why if you have eyes for it, you can just see it in people. It just seems like and then with the forest guy, it's just like he comes off as an elitist, and then he says that, yeah, I used to broker $1 million deals, and I was like, okay, that's where it comes from. It's like you can kind of see people's insecurity bleed into their personality. You can kind of tell when people that searches for external validation is so obvious. It's just obvious. But obviously, we don't see our own demons. Obviously, we don't see our own demons, and that's another blind spot of the human experience. And in our minds, we're thinking everybody thinks I'm the shit. Everybody thinks I'm cool. Blah 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 blah. No, we don't care. We don't care. We don't care. It's what are you doing for me, and then that's when we start to care. But outside of that, we don't care. Yeah. All right. I mean, I think I may have taken off. I may have taken off the trailing on this last one. I did kind of get into this late. I did get into this one a little later than because I was looking at previous price action and I kind of jumped in it too late. So yeah, I kind of jumped in this too late. But I don't know, man. I mean, if I get the starter plus plan, I'm just gonna gamble it. I mean, I still want it. I'm just gonna gamble it. No, that's not fun. No. Oh, I almost got it. Oh my God. That is so crazy. I almost got it. Yo, if it accepted it, it looked like it was going to go through and then it came back. Oh my God. Yo, yeah, I know, right? I know. Yeah, shit. I missed that shit too, man. Dude, it went through. It went through and it came back. And I was like, ah. Oh, man. Mm. All right, man. All right. Well, all right. Mm, all right. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take a lot of this profit. Mm. Uh okay. All right, so we can get this gold, this last target hit, or not the last one, but get this one hit. Come on, baby. Cool. Cool. All right. All right. Mm. All right. So I mean the reason why, because I saw that they were buying at this area. Actually, let me just show it to you on the higher time frame chart. It was a previous area where they bounced it at. And honestly, I just took the chance on this one. I took the chance on that. It's previous area where the bulls found support. So I just took the chance at that when I saw that They were buying it off of that low right there. Hmm. All right. At least if it comes back, my stop is in profits, 2 points at least. 2 points in profit right there. Let this thing do its thing. If it comes back, at least I'm not. All right. So that's a risk free trade right there. Risk free, risk free, risk free. Okay. Yeah, ES, you're not a team player, ES. You're not a team player. You are not a team player. I try to do the right thing here, not chase the market. And she makes me look like a fool 3 times in a row. Makes me look like a fool. Not a team player. Yeah, I mean at this point, yeah, I'm just gonna be a buyer. I'm not even gonna try to sell for real. The only time I'm gonna sell is if at like super resistance. Super resistance. These bears can't hold this market down. I mean, it is an overall a bull market. So I mean, it's not like it's the bears' fault. This is a overall bull market. So it's highly likely that we'll see a lot of short plays actually just fall apart. It's a bull market. So of course that's what's going to happen. Yeah, me too. You know what it is, man. There we go, baby. Look at that. I love that. Love that. And this is why I prefer to trade gold. This is why. I don't need the random pullbacks for no damn reason. Don't need it. Look at that. All right. Uh hmm. All right. So I just got this runner left. I got this runner left. I have a trailing stop that pops up at I think 100 at 100 ticks, 108 ticks. And this is just a runner target right here, which I'm gonna give myself. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna give this every chance in the world. It's a runner target. It's not a big deal if it gets stopped out. All right. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay. All right. All right. Let's see if we can get this the Nasdaq to run here. I mean, looking at the Nasdaq, I don't think the bears got what it takes. You got a bullish pin. You have a bullish engulfing that's opening at the top at the high of this hourly. Oh my bad. I don't know if you guys can see that. I mean, you got a bullish pin. You got a bullish engulfing candle opening at the top of this. Yeah, I think the Nasdaq at least gets to 20K, or maybe this candle high, maybe this doji high, maybe. Yeah, maybe 20K. I mean, we can probably see 20K before we see bulls for bears really step in on this. Yeah, I think so too, gain weight. It does look like they're trying, but we all know what it means. Just because they're trying, don't mean that they're gonna be successful. That, and if they keep trying, all they're doing is building up that liquidity above these highs. That's all they're doing. Well, gain weight. I guess a question is: are you long or are you short right now? I would make the assumption that you're long, but you could be short. But I'll make the assumption that you're long. I mean, ES is still bullish, so I know the Nasdaq is just playing around. The ES is still bullish. Yeah. Yeah. uh, uh, well, unfortunately, though, the best part about gambling is that you don't have to take accountability and you don't have to adhere to risk because you're gambling. It's the best part of it. I can blame the market for not doing the things that I wanted to do instead of taking the self accountability. Now, the Nasdaq just wanted to touch my break even. It's magical how she does that. It's magical because this is not even my original entry. This is my break even after I scaled into the damn thing, and magically it bounces at the damn thing. Like, yeah, that's so crazy. Man, there has to be code that's like look for break evens and then just touch it just to make sure. Cause that is crazy. That is crazy. It always amazes me when the market always seems to find your break even, no matter the circumstance, no matter where the hell it's at. Is a magical thing. It's the ninth wonder of the world. How the hell does the market know where your stop's at? Where your break even's at? All right. I mean, that was a good gold trade. That was a great gold trade. He said Griff Contreras says that probably is a sign that that's not a good entry. Shit, it might even be the contrary. It might even be the contrary. Oh, oh. Mm. I don't know. Let me make sure. Hold on. I just want an 18-point stop on this one. Unless it's just going to run and stop me out real quick. 907. I want an 18-point stop on this. All right. Wow. 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 Being shown mercy by the Nasdaq. Wow. Wow. Ah. Okay. I mean, at some point, I'm gonna have to stop out of this damn thing, I guess. at some point. Let's see if R2 can hold true for me. Shit, right back where I started. Okay. You said is game. Well, you know how that should go. Yeah. No, I get it, NQ. I get it. I get it. I get it. No, I get it, NQ. No, I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. No, I get it. I get it. No, I get it. Mm, mm. No, I get it, NQ. I get it. I get it. I get it. When I go long in this area, that's when you want to, continue down. But then when I say fine, I go short. That's when you want to show some strength. No, I get it. 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 All right. All right. I get it. All right, man. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. It would just be nice if, just follow through to the downside. That'd be nice. Yeah, I guess today is just one of those days because it's crazy how I went long and the thing stops me out. And then I say, fine, I go short and it looks like it wants to go long. I think we should see some follow through here. Why is it asking me this? It's annoying. Hmm. Come on, let's see some follow through, man. To the downside. Yeah. This shit gonna probably bounce at S1 or something like that. Let's see. All right, yeah, you can just keep on going, baby. Yo, say less. Yo. All right. All right. I mean, you can just keep going. You don't got to chop or nothing. You can just keep going. Of course. Ah, shit. I might have to think about getting out of this. Damn it. Damn it. Is that gamma level on? Damn, is that gamma level? Shit. Might have to. Mm. Damn it. Mm. Damn. Okay. Mm. Mm. Well, I guess I shouldn't be it shouldn't be a surprise. Gold is at that gamma level, or not gold. The Qs was at that gamma level and it bounced right at it. It bounced right at this gamma level right here. I mean, it makes sense. I mean, we had this big move up overnight. Or what day that was? What day was that? Whatever day that was. We got that big move up. So, I mean, obviously there's gonna probably be buyers there. Okay. Well, Bears, I just need you to fail here. I just need you to fail. That's it. Just fail for me here. Just fail for me. Just fail for me here. 845. Hmm. 845. Hmm. You holding for a long too, Santiago? Yeah. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. I mean, I guess in hindsight, I mean, like I said, I just hate the Bears' turns because sometimes they're right. Sometimes they're right, and I hate that shit. I hate it because when, oh my god, freaking Bears, I hate. Sometimes they're freaking right. Freaking Bears, man. Freaking Bears. I mean, I did notice the dang trend line break, but man, god damn. Why can't y'all just be like this every time it's your turn, Bears? Why y'all gotta suck and then all of a sudden be good? Should it just be nice if the Bears can have follow through like this every time it's their turn? Then honestly, I wouldn't have no problem with the Nasdaq, but I just hate when it's the Bears' turn because you don't know if you'll actually get the actual drop or we're gonna get this. You just never know. I mean, unless you got some sort of software that tells you, but if you don't, I mean, I guess in hindsight, I guess. I guess in hindsight, I guess. I mean, like I said, for whatever reason, I may have blinded myself to this, but now I see it. I blinded myself to this again. The one thing that I will say is that, okay, now I'm starting to realize that I blind myself to specific pieces of data if it goes against what I want the market to do. I'm starting to recognize that. That's twice I've done that today on Nasdaq and gold. That's twice. Because this is basically the same thing that the ES did yesterday and rejected right there at the underbelly, the bottom of this range right here. That's exactly what it did. You said some bulls got scared. Yeah. You said that this is a struggle short. I mean, yeah, they struggling, but shit, all the bulls that were in this trying to guess for continuation. Man, I gotta start paying attention to that crap, man. Man, fuck it, man. Fuck it. I mean, this shit hit us. Man, fuck it, man. It's getting to 3 contracts, 36. There we go, baby. There we go. Now we're ripping. There we go. Yeah, I know, right? And it's going to get even crazier during FOMC. FOMC is 1 o'clock, 1:30 for me. I don't think I have anything. I don't think I got anything scheduled at that time. So I should be able to stream. Should be able to stream around that time. I don't got anything scheduled or anything. Yeah, I mean, if they keep rejecting at 45, if they keep rejecting at 45 and holding 45, then that's going to embolden the Bulls and not the Bulls, the Bears, and we could see a drop. The Bulls will need to get above 45. need to get above 45. Yeah, the price action is kind of ugly today. Man, what this thing is looking. I mean, it looks like it's found support, but it looks like the bears got it. It looks like the bears, like they really aggressively selling this damn thing. Damn. They are aggressively selling this. Yeah, that's aggressive. Yeah, look at all that aggressive selling. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Don't let these bears do this shit to you. It says don't give up. Don't let these bears do this. No, Bulls, why do y'all suck right now? Why are y'all sucking right now? Come on, Bulls. Why are y'all sucking like that? Yeah, whatever, man. Whatever. All right. Well, I mean, I can't let this shit go that far against me. I'm blow the damn account. Blow the freaking account, man. The crazy thing is that I didn't have to blow the account today. It just happened due to missed targets, getting stopped out on the ones that I was in, trying to scale into it to try to make a little bit more money. Those not working out. Today just been one of those days. Today's definitely been one of those days today. All right. Where's that low at? 95. Yeah, I got my stop at 80. I'll just stop out at 80 if I don't blow the account. I just stop out at 80 if I don't blow the account. Freaking bears. Mm. Shit, gold is chopping around too. All right. So, I mean, it looks like the bears are trying to sell it off the 21 EMA right now. So, they're trying to sell it off the 21. If we can get the bears to fail here, then we should be good. We can get them to fail. You get this strong close above it. There we go. There we go. There we go. We got the bears failing to reject it off the 21. There we go. And then, of course, of course. Honestly, I don't know. So this program that I look at called Black Box Stocks, for whatever reason, Microsoft People are getting into Microsoft for whatever reason, but it's dumping. So, did I spell that right? No, I didn't. People are buying into, dude, did this thing? Oh, wow. Oh my God. Oh, come on. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. All right, man. My God, Nasdaq. Everybody is doing this shit to me. Nasdaq, gold, and the ES is doing this to me. Come on. My targets are not that special. You can hit them. You can hit those targets. God damn. Damn, man. Yeah, today's just one of these days, guys. For whatever reason, none of these instruments wants to finish me off today. They just want to keep me in limbo, keep me edging for whatever reason. But anyway, a lot of people are buying into Microsoft, even though it's going down. So I don't know. There must be something that obviously everybody else knows that is not available to the general public yet. So we'll see what happens. So I guess they're trying to blame it on Doge and saying that Doge, who's bleeding workers in 2025. I mean, it just makes sense. It makes sense. I mean, unfortunately, during Biden's administration, they overhired. They filled, I guess, to I don't want to use the word manipulate, but to manipulate the job numbers, they were double hiring for the same position. At least allegedly, that's what reports are saying. Obviously, I wouldn't know. I can only go off based on what's reported. But that's why a lot of people unfortunately had to lose their jobs because there was a lot of overhiring. I mean, we already seen the news feed that there were over 800,000 job discrepancies in the last report, jobs report during the Biden administration, and yeah. All right, man. All right. All right. All right. Yeah, these they like to keep me at the edge on the edge of my seat for whatever reason. There we go, baby. Yeah, NQ, yeah. Yeah. I got trailing stops. Yeah. You don't got to hit my target. She was like, that's the only one you about to get though. Shit. Yo, she is being very nasty right now. Crazy, man. She's being very nasty. Mm. Oh yeah, Kaizen. Yeah, that's why I always recommend making sure you got these EMAs on your chart. The market, at least these algos, they react at these EMAs, especially that 21 EMA. That's an EMA that everybody should have on their chart, at least, because these algos react to the 21 EMA. You don't need to take my word for it. You can just look at your charts and look at it. Look how the market tries to reject off of the 21. And if it does get past the 21, they reject it off the 50. You get a break above the 21, break above the 50. They try to use it as support. They break down. And you can see that the market just reacts at these EMAs. That's why I keep them on my chart at all times. At all times. And now look at price. We got price right back above these EMAs. Right back above it. And a lot of these algos are programmed to buy off of these EMAs as well, buy and sell off of them. Well, ES does look like it's finding support. It does look like we're going to see a breakout here, especially on instruments like gold and the ES. I mean, you can look at this screen and see. I'll look at your chart and just see how the market reacts at these EMAs. Now that we got price underneath these EMAs, it's highly likely that we're going to probably see a dump here in gold. It's most likely. Probably back down. And shit, I don't want it like, and when people say that gold and Nasdaq inverses each other, shit, they're doing the same exact thing. You got a big move down and they're consolidating. Big move down, consolidating. Nasdaq and and gold is doing the same exact damn thing. Same thing. They are besties low key. They are besties low key. You got a big move down, chop. Big move down, chop. These things are the same damn thing. And it looks like they're trying to reject it off of 45. Looks like they're trying to reject it right here. If I need the bears to be weak, this will probably be one of those times. That shit never fails. Never fails. Always perfect bounce. It always finds the break even. It always finds it and bounces. Always. I mean, shit, if the Bulls can't hold this, and it goes underneath that low, then I mean, that's all she wrote. That's all she wrote right there. Mm. Okay. What do I got to lose? It looks like a straight up short right there. Mm. All right, so let's see what they're doing. All right. So this is the last chance here for the Bears here. This is their last chance. You got both the EMAs right here. This is their last chance to reject this thing and keep it going. If they fail, we should see a rotation right back up. Okay. Of course. Of course, man. Of course. Hmm. And I'll just keep my stop above that high. I mean, I'll just keep it above that. Hmm. All right. So the institutions are buying at this level. They're buying they're buying at this level on SPY. They're secretly buying at 559. Hmm. I like 5 more minutes. I would like to see this thing follow through to the upside though. Hmm. You said you saw a order sitting above 610. 610, huh? I mean, look at these gamma levels. I mean, looks like the market. I mean, these gamma levels don't lie. They don't lie. You got obviously your biggest set of orders at 580, which is probably a great stop for SPY. It's probably a good stop. I mean, if we do see a big push, it'll probably be a place where people take profits. I mean, obviously, you got the gamma level sitting right at it. It's the biggest one. And then you got the next one right there at 600, and you said 610. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, well, they're building their position here at the same financial advice, but they're definitely building their position right there at 559, 560. So, that ain't financial advice or nothing. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. We gamble over here, baby. We just make gambling look like great trading. All right. Well, I got like 2 more minutes, and then I have to get going. Every so often, I have one of these days where nothing seems to want to work for me. I have the right idea, but either the market misses me by a tick, misses my target by a tick, or whatever. And then it just is spiraling downhill from there. And I gotta make sure that I don't lose this damn thing, because without this, I am. Okay. But all right, guys. That's it for me today. Yeah, like I said, it wasn't one of my best days, but man, I have a couple of those. But I'll come back. I'll try to stream the FOMC if I can't. Actually, I probably should. I don't have anything on my schedule, so and you already know we got an account already geared up for the FOMC because we're gambling. Damn it, we are gambling. All right, let's see if we can kind of get a close right back above. I mean, Nasdaq, you traveled so far. You could have tagged me in. I understand it. I understand it though. Well, I mean, why? Why tag me in, right? I understand it. It wasn't a stop, so you had to abort the mission. I get it. I get it. It wasn't my stop, so you had to abort. But all right, guys. We'll try to come back at for the FOMC meeting. And with that said, peace out, everybody.